In this video, I'll walk you through how to transfer ownership on Squarespace using the current 2026 method. Start by clicking the Settings icon in the left sidebar to open the Settings panel. The Settings panel slides out from the left side of your screen. In the Settings panel, click Website to open the Website Settings page. The main view updates to show all your website-level configuration options. Now in the left sidebar, click Permissions and Ownership to load that section. This is where you manage who has access to your site and what level of control they have. On the Permissions and Ownership page, click the Permissions and Ownership card to open the full permissions interface. The detailed permissions management screen loads with all your current team members listed. Once the permissions page loads, click the Transfer Ownership button at the top right. This starts the ownership transfer process. A verification window appears asking you to confirm your identity. Click Continue to proceed with the security check. Your browser opens a sign-in window. Select the account you want to verify with to continue the transfer process. This confirms you have the authority to transfer ownership. The Transfer Ownership modal now opens, showing your current contributors. You'll see a list of everyone who already has access to the site. Click the Choose drop-down menu and select the contributor you want to transfer ownership to. For this example, I'm selecting Test Account. You can only transfer to someone who's already a contributor on the site. Once you've selected the new owner, click Continue at the bottom of the modal to move to the confirmation screen. The modal updates to show you a summary of the transfer. A confirmed transfer modal appears with the final details. Click Confirm to complete the ownership transfer, and the selected contributor becomes the new site owner. Keep in mind the person you're transferring to must already be added as a contributor on your site before you can transfer ownership. Once you confirm the transfer, you'll lose owner access immediately and become a contributor instead. So double-check you're ready before clicking that final Confirm button. If you need to change ownership again later, the new owner will need to initiate the transfer back to you or to someone else. And that's how to transfer ownership on Squarespace. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.